Today's jobs aren't particularly Charlie friendly, so it'll be just me doing this bit. I mean, as you can tell by the mask and yeah, all the mould here and there, it's not that great in here at the moment. But the plan is to take out all of the cupboards and get back to a nice firm footing so we can really get cracking. Now, I couldn't see any fixings for the cupboards in here. There's nothing obvious holding them to the wall. What I have discovered, and you may have spotted this great big hole a second ago, is it looks like the way they constructed, they put the frame up, the hardboard on, and then they fix the cupboards from the back before putting the aluminium on the outside. So in here there's a screw and everything's fixed from the back. So what I'm doing is spacing it with this nylon pry bar and then cutting it with one of these. I've been very careful not to catch the cabinet as I want to use that again, but this way I can just feel my way along and cut the screws without damaging anything. This is the corner where the rear slide out bed was that I've now removed, and you can probably see just how damp this corner is. So now it's stripped and all the mouldy bits have gone, Charlie can get in here and give me a hand and repair the wood. What are you doing there, Charlie?
Doing my...
What are you doing?
Doing my handprint.
Okay. You can write your name under it.